Gratitude for one more day. My needs supplied. Your warm embrace and tenderness. Patience with me. Patience with me through all my mess. I've come to one conclusion. You are the best. Hallelujah to our King. Hallelujah, I will sing. You are great, almighty, all honor to you, our King.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm at Island Grill now. I'm heading to the gym. Today is Sunday, March 3rd. I'm heading to the gym. I'm gonna eat from morning. I was planning to do fasted cardio, but it's 2 o'clock now. So I'm gonna get something before I go. So I'm gonna get something from Munch Pan and stuff. Hi, good day. Good day. Can I have a the chicken and the festival? Just no. Jerk.
Breast and wings?
Yeah, I want it to be. Alright, tell her what, change it please. Give me the satisfaction yard style. And I want some curry gravy.
You need a juice?
So yes guys, I decided to get something to eat before I go to the gym because seeing that I haven't been to the gym a while and actually it's a good idea to do fasted cardio on the first day back. So may I get something to eat now, then we'll go buy some waiting. I got just now. We did know curry gravy, I look at curry gravy and stuff. But I want to limit rice starting tomorrow. Today is Sunday. After Sunday dinner. So I'm gonna limit the rice stuff. But I'm gonna eat with a sense of caution now. The other day I lost like about 10 pounds, like, but it's stressed out. I'm gonna lose 10 pounds and I said no, I need to stop stressing myself. And then I put on back a weight. So now I just work to balance it. So I got too slim the other day. I was mad slim, like 150. I said, 150 no fit me. So I'm like 160 now. So I'm just trying to balance everything and make sure to keep it healthy. I've been eating a lot of junk food, mess up my belly. So I have a little pouch. That I'm only working on. So yeah, you don't know, we have a belly gun. Follow my Instagram page for the product. That's Skylife Fitness Solution. I'll link it on the screen and I'll link it below so you can go over there and follow that page. So the belly gun and the exercising belts will be on that page. Well, belly gun already on the master exercising belts now selling. I have like medium and small left. So if you're interested, you can DM me on the page about that. Okay guys, so this is what I got. I shouldn't have gotten any rice, but you don't know. You have to just eat everything in a moderation. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat rice. I got jerk chicken, vegetable rice and festival. This is the satisfaction meal. So I'm gonna devour this and then head over the gym. Yeah. So guys, I'm done devour food and stuff. So I'm heading to the gym now. Gym is like a few steps away. Island Grill is always a good option for me in terms of eating healthy because you know today kind of proportioning food and show you calories and you can get healthy meals like steamed vegetable and you know your chicken breasts, and they have fish sandwiches, you know. So in terms of getting meals, Allen Grill is always a good choice, because some of them places are full up of fries and fried chicken and in something there. Allen Grill don't do fried chicken. Lighting though. Yeah, so I'm excited for my first day back in the gym, money guys. So yeah, when I change off and stuff, I will come back to you guys. But did have something to tell you about, me remember what. Anyways, I will come back to you guys if I remember and stuff later. Hey guys, I'm finished with the gym workout. This is what I have on. I'm gonna show you in the mirror. I didn't get the music kind of loud. I didn't get to record my workout. Too much people in the gym, but I did work out. I did a pretty good workout today and stuff. I'm gonna show you me taking off my belt and stuff. Right now my clothes wet up. I'm bathing. I love this top. It's my favorite top. Look at it, Nagala. My favorite top. But now showing I take off my workout belt. The things that I use is my workout belt and my belly band weights. You know, I still have my gloves. I'm bathing. So I'm not gonna lie, belly band maybe I sweat like wow, belly hair. So I'm showing that no, I turn on the camera. So if you look good in this is well I have to wet up. Well I run have to wet up. So that's what I look like. I'm bathing, very sweaty. So guys, I'm finished with the gym. More change now. You can get your belly gone at Skylife Fitness Solution, or yeah, you can DM me at Skylife Fitness Solution. The small belly gun is at a reasonable price now of 2,000 Jamaican. If you want the large one, it's 3,000 Jamaican. The small one lasts you 3 months. The large one lasts you 6 months. So, I can contact my boy that. I'm bathing. I want to show you an update on my body in this mirror, this small ass mirror and stuff. So guys, keep in mind I haven't worked out in 3 months basically, and I still have my physique. I've been eating very poorly. With that said, go and add me on my other channel, that is Melica Allen. I'm gonna link it below because I'm gonna be giving you some detailed tips on how to lose belly fat, so to burn it, and stubborn fat overall. You need to go and follow me on Melica Allen. That's my other channel, my main channel. I'm gonna be talking about my fitness stuff. I'm gonna put it here. I'm not gonna mix them with the vlogs anymore. And I have some detailed stuff to help you guys burn belly fat, because when I talk to most people, their biggest complaint is that they want to lose the belly fat. And I'm going to go in depth and in detail on how you can do that. Yeah, so follow me over there, so follow me on Skylife Fitness Solution, because some of the tools that you would need will come from those 2 places. So thank you guys. I'm going to end the vlog here for stopping by Melica Skylife TV. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love. Skylife in the building, now one of them, gang. Yeah, later.